So when you do merge sort, okay, I have this array, it's unsorted, and I want to apply merge sort on it. So the way merge sort is going to work is like this. You're going to divide the array into two pieces. Alright, but look, this array has 7 elements. Okay, you're going to split this array like that, like this. Okay, if it's even, then you have to, split it in half, so you have the equal number of elements in both of the broken or split arrays. But here we don't have an even number, we have an odd number, so you're gonna do it like this. Okay, so we're gonna split 65, 78, 93, 24 into one side, and then the remaining 6, 8, 9 comes into the other array. Now the next thing is that we're gonna split this even further. So okay, each array you're gonna keep splitting it till you end up with one element. Okay, so yeah, we split this array a couple of times, and I think my page is a bit, it's full. Okay, so now you're gonna merge these. That's why it's called merge sort. Okay, you're gonna merge them in such a way, okay, like 65, 78. You're gonna merge them in such a way that the smaller element appears on the left and the bigger one on the right. And this is going to remain on its own because there's no other kind of thing to do. The other thing is that I'm gonna, because I don't have much space left, I'm gonna like put it here, continue there. All right, so 65 and 78, once I do merge them, actually I'm gonna merge these two together. Okay, and I'm gonna put the result here. So 65, 78, which is smaller, 24, 93. So I'm gonna do it like this. It's gonna happen like this: 24, and then comes 65, then comes a 78, then comes a 93. All right, I'm gonna merge these two as well. So it's going to be these two together as well, like that. So it's going to be like, so yeah, this is how it's going to work, and that's how we're going to merge everything together. So yeah, thanks for watching.